Let's make DIY lip and cheek tint together.
Everything turned to dust when we aimed to fly higher. We got lost and dragged each other down. We kept running from the shadows in the night, realizing it was not worth the fight. Moving on alone was what felt right.
Ingredients that we needed: rose water, any facial serum that hydrate your skin. I'm using here 24,000 gold serum. After that, we need an empty container. And lastly, we'll use aloe vera gel, whether it's natural or artificial one. Fill the empty container half with rose water. Then add 1 to 2 drops of aloe vera gel into container and mix it well.
It feels good, a new beginning. We are free at last, living life just like we're supposed to. Goodbye to the past, letting go of the darkness that kept tearing us down. Had to hit
Add 3 to 4 drops of food color.
understand that we weren't meant to be. We kept running.
Now it's time to add syrup.
Realizing it was not worth the fight. Moving on alone was what felt right. 'Cause we were never meant to be. Dum dum da dum day.
And lastly, we add some drops of coconut oil for extra hydration.
'Cause we were never meant to be.
Mix, mix, mix. Now place it for 4 to 5 hours to let all ingredients mix well. Let's apply it. Oh, it looks so stunning. Swatch test.
We were playing with fire. Everything turned to dust when we aimed to fly higher. We got lost and dragged each other down. We kept running from the shadows in the night, realizing it was not worth the fight. Moving on alone was what felt right. 'Cause we
Here is the final result. So if you like this DIY tint, then like my video and subscribe to my channel.